Hi, I'm Ben from Walker Landscape and Design, and here are some quick tips on how to make the ultimate outdoor living space. Number 1, paint. The range of outdoor paints now is fantastic, with excellent range of vibrant colours. For a really modern look, you can paint a long run of fencing, grey or black, which will really make your planting pop. Number 2 is plants. A few new plants can really lift a tired corner of the garden. And if your budget won't stretch to a brand new patio, some trendy planters with really vibrant plants in them can really lift your space. Number 3, a good spring clean. Not only is a day on the jet wash therapeutic, but you'll be surprised by the colour of your original patio underneath the dirt and grime. Good jet washes are available from any hardware store, and if it's something more industrial that you need, a local hire shop can help. Number 4, lighting. Lighting can make a huge difference to your outdoor space, adding style and increasing usage in the darker evenings. Simple plug-and-play systems are widely available to purchase and easy to install. For any more complicated systems, a local electrician can help. Number 5 is heat. By adding a source of heat to your outdoor area, you're really going to increase the usage as the nights draw out. Whether it's a simple electric heater or a gas fire pit, both are a fantastic investment for the garden.